First, turn off your XL2 machine. Next, remove the spool knob, spring, and plate. Place the spool on the machine. Next, grab the plate and line up the groove on the plate with the groove on the brake arm. Now add the spring and screw the spool knob back on. With wire cutters, make a clean cut to the material. Spool the material under and back over the roller. Feed material into the tunnel at the back of the machine, then open the lid. Turn the pressure release cam. Next, start feeding material through the ribbon guide. Turn the pressure release cam back. Close the lid. Turn on the XL2. The first cycle is just going to feed the material forward, but the second cycle will be a completed tie.